Another popular messaging app is Messenger chat platform that was developed as part of Facebook. In September 2017, Facebook announced that more than 1.3 billion people use Messenger every month, which puts Messenger as the second largest messaging app in the world after WhatsApp. When you send a private message on Facebook, your message is sent on Messenger. The messaging app was originally developed as part of the social network, but it launched as Facebook Chat in 2008. In 2011, however, Facebook separated its messaging functionality by creating standalone iOS and Android app and a website Messenger. In the United States, Messenger ranks as the second most popular iOS app of all time, behind Facebook. There are many different ways you can connect with people on Messenger. Here are just a few features. You can make calls to other people using Messenger. You can create group chats. You can share photos and videos. You can send stickers, emojis, and GIFs. You can play games with your friends, or you can send maps and your location. You can also use the Messenger camera to create playful photos and videos. You can capture a moment doodle, then send it to your friends, and you can share the final piece to your Facebook stories. Another feature of Messenger camera you can use is the AR or augmented reality filters. Add fun filters like bunny ears or a disco background to make your photos and videos more playful. For instance, if you're feeling creative, you can even create a filter of your own. With Spark AR, Facebook tool for building augmented reality effects. When you create and share a reality experience, it can reach anyone who's using Facebook. Similarly to WhatsApp, people use Messenger mainly to chat, call, and share photos and videos. In April 2019, Messenger reported that 20 billion messages were sent between people and businesses on Messenger each month, and 410 million users video chatted on Messenger monthly, with 40% year-over-year growth in the amount of time spent in video chat. 17 billion photos were shared in Messenger each month. In April 2020, Facebook also announced a new group video chat feature for Messenger called Rooms. People who don't have Facebook accounts can just join an open room with a link, and up to 50 people can join.